Ever wished you could clone yourself? No, not like that creepy sci-fi stuff. Imagine being in two places at once, handling multiple calls, and still having time to breathe. Sounds like a superhero power, right? Well, it's not. It's called Mightycall. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, another boring tech tutorial, let me tell you, this isn't your average how-to video. We're diving deep into the world of virtual phone systems, but with a twist. We're going to make it fun, easy to understand, and even a little bit addictive. So, you're probably wondering, what the heck is Mightycall, and why should I care? Fair question. Imagine you run a small business. You're juggling clients, suppliers, and maybe even a team. Your phone is ringing off the hook, and you're starting to feel like a human answering machine. Enter Mightycall. It's like having a personal assistant who can handle all your calls, even when you're not there. But it's more than just answering calls. Mightycall is your business's new best friend. It can help you boost productivity, improve customer service, and even save you money. Intrigued? Good. Let's break it down. The basics. First things first, let's get you set up. Creating a Mightycall account is as easy as ordering pizza. You just need a few details and boom, you're in the system. Think of it as building your own virtual call center, but without the hassle. Once you're in, it's time to explore. Your dashboard is like the control center of your call empire. You can see all your calls, voicemail, and even your call history. It's like having a crystal ball for your business communications. Call management magic. Now, let's talk about the fun stuff, managing calls. Mightycall offers a bunch of features that will make your life easier. There's call forwarding, so you can send calls to any number you want. You can set up a voicemail greeting that sounds like you're on vacation, even if you're just in the bathroom. And let's not forget about call waiting so you never miss a beat. But wait, there's more. You can also conference call with multiple people at once. Imagine closing that big deal without ever leaving your office. It's like teleportation for business. Mightycall and your team. If you have a team, Mightycall is like hiring a super efficient office manager. You can create extensions for your employees so they have their own dedicated numbers. You can even set up call queues, so incoming calls are distributed evenly. No more phone tag. The power of integrations. Mightycall doesn't just live in a bubble. It can play nicely with other tools you use. Imagine syncing your contacts with your CRM or integrating with your email. It's like giving your business a supercharged brain. Mightycall and you. At the end of the day, Mightycall is about making your life easier. It's about spending less time on phone calls and more time doing what you love. Whether you're a solopreneur or running a big company, Mightycall can help you level up your communication game. So there you have it. Mightycall is more than just a phone system. It's a tool that can transform the way you do business. By now, you should have a good grasp of the basics, but remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to discover. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep calling and conquering.